Here I have HTC Desire 12S, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first, go to the settings. Here you should pick accounts, users and accounts in exact. And as you can see, currently we do have one account assigned to this device, so let me open it. If you would like to get rid of this account, just select remove account. And if you truly want to delete this account with all its messages, contacts and other data, just click on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it is no longer here. And then whenever you'd like to add Google account to your HTC, just open users and accounts, go to add account, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and click on Google. And at first you need to enter email number or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. Oh, sorry. I need to change the keyboard language right here. Okay, so one more time, HardReset.Info. And click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, so as only it is entered, you need to click on next. And here you just have to go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. To read them, just tap on each icon, select it, and you can read it carefully, and if you do agree with everything, tap on I agree. Click on more, click on accept to confirm, and that's it. As you can see, this Google account has been added to your HTC Desire 12S. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.